Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm going to replace the hoses for my above ground pool. So this is my third year on this pool and I noticed that the hoses are actually starting to become brittle, and you can see right now, just a little thing. And if you look here right now, fix this by using a silicone tape, but now this thing gave in again. And also in the other area right here, and also on that side, and almost every week I'm getting a new leak, so I decided I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. So I purchased this from Amazon. This is a 9-foot hose replacement for this is 1.25 inches in diameter. What I'm gonna do is actually I'm going to use that hose. If you can purchase this type of hose, this is actually a better one. It's thicker, but they don't have it right now in Amazon anymore. And I like this because it does not leak and you can cut it to any size you want. What I'm gonna do now is I'll just go ahead and I'll take that thing out and then cut it in two so I can replace that hose and this hose, and then use this for that one right there. Okay, and how I'm gonna do it so that I do not lose water is I'm gonna be using this stopper that came with the pool. So I have three, so one for here and one over there and one on the other side. So what I'll do is I have to loosen this a little so that I can pull all the filter from the inside, and let me go ahead and do that. So let me go ahead and loosen this a little. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other ones as well. You look here, this is just, I still have the original plastic clamp, so I'm just gonna loosen this a little as well. And same thing as this one. So this should not leak because this is actually plastic, so you should be fine there. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to each of the filter, remove it, and replace it with this so I can actually remove these hoses without losing my water. Okay, so make sure that when you do that your filter is off so that you don't get the water being stopped right here. Okay, so this is the first one. I'm gonna have to remove this all the way. Right here. And put this thing in. So you don't have to like push it all the way because this is gonna be temporary anyway. So this one here, I'm gonna remove this and put this thing in. And I have to do it right here as well. And put this thing in. Okay, and let me go ahead and pull this thing out. So I put this right here. I'm not gonna tighten it yet. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is this thing is still loose. I'm gonna remove the uh, stopper, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna put this thing back in. And let me go ahead and tighten this up. So I just have to repeat the process for this two over there. So this thing is still loose, so I can put this thing in easily. And all I have to do is remove the stopper right here. You can see the water is now going in. Okay, and just put this thing on and tighten this thing up. I have to do the same thing on the last one. So the last step will be to make sure that the water goes into the filter. So I'm gonna have to open this thing up. Release the air here until the water comes out. And you can see all the water here is now going in. Okay, because the last thing you want is to have an air in your filter, because that's gonna damage your filter easily. So looks like there's no more leak. Let me go ahead and turn on the pump. Okay, so the pump's running. Just checking if there's any leak right here. There's no leak. No leaks here. No leaks there. No leak on any connection. So I could say that we are now set. So I hope that this video is helpful to you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. And thank you for watching.